Eid Al Adha. The very name evokes a sense of profound reverence, a time of spiritual reflection, and a celebration of faith that transcends geographical boundaries. From the bustling streets of Cairo to the serene landscapes of Indonesia, Muslims across the globe unite in observance of this sacred occasion. It is a time when families gather, prayers echo in mosques, and the air is thick with the aroma of traditional delicacies. Eid Al Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice, is a testament to the unwavering belief and devotion that lie at the heart of Islam. This joyous occasion is not merely a festive gathering, it is deeply rooted in the annals of Islamic history. It commemorates the profound willingness of Prophet Abraham to sacrifice his son Ishmael as an act of obedience to God. This act of ultimate surrender, though tested, ultimately revealed God's mercy and compassion, replacing the sacrifice with a ram. Eid Al Adha serves as a powerful reminder of the values of sacrifice, submission to the divine will, and unwavering faith. It is a time for Muslims to reflect on their own lives, to assess their commitment to their beliefs, and to reaffirm their dedication to leading a life guided by Islamic principles. The story of Abraham's sacrifice is not unique to Islam. It is a narrative that resonates deeply within the Abrahamic faiths, including Christianity and Judaism. This shared heritage underscores the interconnectedness of these religions and highlights the universal themes of faith, obedience, and divine mercy that underpin the story. In Islam, the sacrifice of Prophet Abraham holds paramount significance. It is a testament to his unwavering faith in God and his willingness to surrender his most prized possession in submission to the divine will. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, recounts this pivotal moment in detail, emphasizing the profound spiritual struggle that Prophet Abraham endured. This act of sacrifice serves as a guiding principle for Muslims, reminding them of the importance of placing their trust in God, even in the face of adversity. It teaches the faithful to prioritize their relationship with the divine above all else and to be willing to make sacrifices for the sake of their beliefs. The most prominent ritual associated with Eid Al Adha is the sacrifice of an animal, typically a sheep, goat, cow, or camel. This act, known as Qurbani, is a symbolic reenactment of Prophet Abraham's willingness to sacrifice his son. It serves as a tangible reminder of the values of sacrifice and submission that the holiday embodies. The meat from the sacrificed animal is divided into 3 parts, one for the family, one for relatives and friends, and one for the poor and needy. This tradition of sharing the meat underscores the importance of compassion, generosity, and social responsibility that are central to the teachings of Islam. The act of sacrifice is not merely a physical act, it is a deeply spiritual one. It is about sacrificing one's ego, desires, and attachments for the sake of something greater than oneself. It is about recognizing the transient nature of material possessions and placing greater emphasis on spiritual growth and connection with the divine. While the core tenets of Eid Al Adha remain consistent across the globe, the celebrations themselves are a vibrant tapestry of cultural nuances and traditions. From the bustling souks of Marrakesh to the vibrant streets of Kuala Lumpur, each country adds its own unique flavor to the festivities. In Morocco, families gather to share a special Eid breakfast of mzaymen, Moroccan flatbread, and mint tea after the Eid prayer. The streets come alive with the sounds of traditional music and the aroma of lamb dishes. Children receive new clothes and gifts, and homes are adorned with intricate henna designs. In Malaysia, the festivities begin with the Takbir Raya, a special prayer recited on the eve of Eid Al Adha. Families prepare traditional dishes such as rendang, a spicy meat dish, and lemang, glutinous rice cooked in bamboo. Open houses are common, fostering a spirit of unity and camaraderie among friends and neighbors. Beyond the ritual embracing the spirit of sharing, Eid Al Adha is a time for Muslims to reflect on the importance of generosity and compassion. The act of sharing the sacrificial meat with the less fortunate is a tangible manifestation of this spirit. It serves as a powerful reminder of the Islamic emphasis on social justice and taking care of those in need. Muslims are encouraged to donate to charities and engage in acts of kindness throughout the year, but this spirit of generosity is particularly heightened during Eid Al Adha. It is a time for Muslims to recognize their blessings and to share their good fortune with those less fortunate. The act of giving is not seen as an act of charity, but rather as a duty, an integral part of fulfilling one's Islamic obligations. It is a way of acknowledging the interconnectedness of humanity and recognizing that we are all responsible for one another's well-being. A feast of generosity, nourishing body and soul. Food plays an integral role in Eid Al Adha celebrations. Families come together to prepare and share elaborate meals, often featuring dishes made with the meat from the sacrificed animal. The act of sharing a meal together strengthens family bonds and reinforces the spirit of unity and togetherness that is central to the holiday. In many cultures, Eid Al Adha is a time for families to come together and enjoy special treats and delicacies that are unique to the occasion. Children often receive gifts of money, known as Eid, from elders, adding to the festive atmosphere. The sharing of food extends beyond immediate family and friends. Muslims are encouraged to invite neighbors, colleagues, and even strangers to partake in the Eid feast, fostering a sense of community and breaking down barriers. Strengthening the bonds of kinship. Eid Al Adha is a time for family reunions and strengthening the bonds of kinship. Families travel from far and wide to be together during this special occasion. It is a time for sharing stories, reminiscing about the past, and creating new memories that will be cherished for years to come. Elders are shown respect and reverence, and children are showered with love and affection. The spirit of unity and togetherness that permeates Eid Al Adha celebrations serves as a reminder of the importance of family and the strength that comes from these bonds. The emphasis on family during Eid Al Adha is a reflection of the importance that Islam places on maintaining strong family ties. It is a reminder that family is a source of support, comfort, and guidance, and that these relationships should be cherished and nurtured. Eid Al Adha is not just a time for celebration and feasting, it is also a time for reflection and reaching out to those less fortunate. The act of sacrificing an animal and sharing the meat with the poor is a powerful reminder of the importance of social justice and taking care of those in need. Muslims are encouraged to remember the less fortunate during Eid Al Adha and to extend a helping hand to those who are struggling. This can take many forms, from donating to charities to volunteering time at local soup kitchens or homeless shelters. The spirit of compassion and generosity that is embodied in Eid Al Adha is a reflection of the Islamic emphasis on social responsibility. It is a reminder that we are all part of a larger community and that we have a duty to care for one another. Eid Al Adha stands as a testament to the enduring power of faith. It is a reminder of the profound impact that belief can have on individuals and communities alike. The willingness of Prophet Abraham to sacrifice his son, the unwavering faith of countless Muslims throughout history, and the continued observance of this sacred occasion all speak to the transformative power of belief. In a world often characterized by uncertainty and division, Eid Al Adha offers a message of hope and unity. It reminds us that despite our differences in culture, language, or ethnicity, we are all united by our shared humanity and our capacity for faith, compassion, and generosity. The story of Eid Al Adha is a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity, to find strength in faith, and to extend a hand of compassion to those in need. It is a story that continues to resonate deeply with millions of people around the world, offering a timeless message of hope, unity, and the enduring power of faith. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, Eid Al Adha faces both challenges and opportunities. The rise of globalization and secularism has led to a questioning of traditional values and practices, while economic disparities continue to pose significant challenges for many communities. However, Eid Al Adha also presents an opportunity to bridge cultural divides and promote understanding between Muslims and non-Muslims. By sharing the traditions and values of this sacred occasion, Muslims can help to foster greater awareness and appreciation for Islamic culture and traditions. The values of sacrifice, compassion, and generosity that are central to Eid Al Adha are as relevant today as they were centuries ago. By embracing these values, Muslims can help to create a more just and equitable world for all. Eid Al Adha, with its rich history, vibrant traditions, and profound spiritual significance, continues to hold a special place in the hearts of Muslims worldwide. It is a time for families to come together, for communities to unite, and for individuals to reflect on their own lives and their commitment to their faith. The story of Prophet Abraham's sacrifice serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of faith, obedience, and submission to the divine will. It teaches us that true sacrifice comes from a place of love, devotion, and a willingness to surrender our own desires for something greater than ourselves. As we celebrate Eid Al Adha, let us remember the importance of compassion, generosity, and social responsibility. Let us strive to embody the values of this sacred occasion in our own lives, reaching out to those in need and working towards a more just and equitable world for all.